graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're working on Module 3, Lesson 6. Our objective for today is to order, measure, and compare the length of objects before and after measuring with centimeter cubes. Solving compare with difference unknown word problems. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to look at some objects on the screen. Just by looking at these, can you tell which one is the longest and which one is the shortest? It's a little bit difficult if we don't line them up at their end point. Watch if I lined them up at their end point. Now can you tell which one is the longest? Which one is the longest? The colored pencil. Which one is the shortest? The crayon. And which one is in the middle, is longer than the crayon? The marker. Very good. Now we're going to order them from shortest to longest. So this colored pencil has to come down here. We have the shortest to the longest. Very good. Now, what if I want to know how long each item is? What could we do? I know what we could do. We could use these cubes to measure. What do you think? Our centimeter cubes. All right. So let's start with the crayon. And I'm going to measure it with my cubes. Help me count. 1. And remember, am I going to leave a space like that? No, we have to line it up right against, no spaces. 3, 4, 5. Each block has to be touching the next block. There, we're almost to the end. What do we think? One more? There, that's about right. Now, the lights just shut off on me. We're gonna do the marker. Now let's do the marker. Whoop. We have 1. We'll count them at the end. 2, 3. Notice that I lined it up at the very edge of the marker. Then from there, we just keep going. There we go. We'll do one more to go to the end of that knob. Okay, we have one object left to measure, and that is the colored pencil. And then we're going to count how many centimeters each object is. Because remember, a centimeter is the same length as a centimeter cube. So when we measure using our centimeter cubes, we call them centimeters. Wow. All right, I'm almost to the end. There, okay. Now we gotta count our cubes. So let's count up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Let's count how many the marker has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9, 12. And I'm going to slide this guy back just a tiny bit so we have space here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wow! 18 centimeters. Okay. What do you notice about these numbers? 9, 12, 18. I notice that the numbers keep getting bigger. 12 is bigger than 9, so that means the marker is longer than the crayon. And 18 is bigger than 12. Sorry, 18 is bigger than 12, which means that the colored pencil is longer than the marker. All right. Now, the crayon is shorter than the marker. Now, we can compare these cubes to see how many more cubes we used for the crayon or for the marker than the crayon. So I'm going to move this marker and I'm going to slide. Let's see how well this works. I'm going to slide up and notice I'm putting these together like this. So now we can see how many more did we need for the marker. 1, 2, 3. We used 3 more centimeters. Or we could say 9 plus 3 equals 12. We could say a number sentence. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Oh, you can't see that. I'll put it down here. 9 plus 3 equals 12. All right, let's compare the marker and the colored pencil. Let's see how we can do that. Maybe I can slide it up like I did with the other one. It's so much longer. Look how long this one is. Oh my goodness. Let's see how many more we needed for the colored pencil than the marker. Okay, so this was the marker right here. Let's see how many more we needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We needed 5 more centimeter cubes to measure the colored pencil. So we could say 12 plus 5. Oh, you know we made a mistake. Look at this guy down here. Oh my goodness. Let's look at that again. Is this 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, let's see. 12 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one escaped. 12 plus 6 equals 18. There we go. That's silly centimeter cube. All right. So we used more centimeter cubes to measure the colored pencil than we did to measure the crayon. All right. We are going to do this again with new objects. All right.